Ignoring divorce papers can lead to a default judgment, leaving you without a say in crucial decisions. Responding ensures your voice is heard, allowing you to influence property, support, and custody outcomes. By responding, you maintain control over the divorce process. It's your opportunity to present your side, ensuring fair treatment and protecting your interests. Use the response form, FL 120, to indicate your agreement or disagreement with your spouse's terms. If children are involved, complete the UCCJA FL 105 for accurate custody details. Accuracy is key. Double-check your forms to avoid delays. This step is crucial for a smooth process, ensuring your response is filed correctly and on time. Make 2 copies of your completed forms before filing. Submit your response at the same court where the divorce petition was filed, ensuring all documents are in order. Serve the response to your spouse using a third party and file the proof of service, FL 115. This step is essential to move the divorce process forward with both parties involved. Understand the consequences of not responding within 30 days. Consider applying for a fee waiver, FW001, if needed, and explore services like Divorce 661 for affordable remote assistance. By responding promptly, you stay in control of the divorce process. Visit divorce661.com for a free consultation, ensuring your response is filed correctly and on time.